friends, how to pack a suitcase for a road trip. I'm going to show you how to save 30% extra space in your suitcase when packing to be super efficient and to do it in a really quick manner. If you find this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you click subscribe, and check out our other packing hacks and travel tips down in the playlist below. Okay, what we're going to do today, I'm going to show you this one hack for packing your suitcase for traveling that will give you extra 30% space in your suitcase, and you're probably packing your suitcase incorrectly. But first, a special thank you to Waypoint House B&B in Berryville, Virginia. It's only 65 short miles away from Washington, D.C., but like day and night, with a relaxation Waypoint House bed and breakfast of where you can go and have all the beautiful relaxing amenities and also safety protocols that Waypoint House bed and breakfast does have with quarantine, meaning that there's mask protocol and hand sanitizer protocol, but also decadent amenities such as homemade breakfasts that you can have while you're at Waypoint Bed and Breakfast using their herb garden, or maybe you want to sit out on their covered porch to have a glass of wine at the end of the day. But there's their garden that they use those herbs in their breakfasts that are homemade. Additionally, you can have other to-go lunches to explore other areas at the Waypoint House Bed and Breakfast. I want to go to that tranquil serenity backyard area space right now. Okay, let's go back to how to pack your suitcase for a road trip. So first, you're going to take your shoes. I recommend keeping your shoe boxes or a hard cover container for your shoes to ensure that they don't get scuffed up. But if you have things like sneakers, for example, wrap them in a plastic bag so the bottom of your sneakers, which is disgustingly dirty and germy, they're wrapped and not touching your personables. This next little mesh bag is where your undergarments would go. They all go in one spot. If you don't have a mesh bag, I will link one down below, or you can use Ziploc bags. Okay, here's the hack. Here's the 30% hack that's going to save you on packing, is rolling your clothes together, kind of like a cinnamon bun. You're going to roll them together, like those shirts, for example, the jackets, roll them and put them along the exterior of your suitcase. This is where most people do not maximize 30% of their suitcase by properly packing their suitcase when going on a trip or a road trip by putting it on the exterior. You'll notice that plastic bag, that's where all my dirty clothes are going to go. At the end of my trip, I'm going to easily put them in there so I have them ready to wash when I get home. Next, that shirt, I put it back. It was a collared shirt because it's going to get wrinkly. I can't roll it and put it on the edge, so I opted for that black shirt instead to be rolled like a cinnamon bun and put on the side of the suitcase. See, you can see that I'm maximizing the exterior edges for that extra 30% when packing my suitcase. Same thing with pants. Roll them all up and put them along the side and the exterior edges, so that center part you can really maximize with things like a hat. So I'm going to put my hat in there, put my socks in the hat, and put it down, so I'm really using that center space, again, saving that extra 30% by using the exterior. I simply, for my road trip, I'm putting my hygiene bag and my travel toiletries up there. You could use the top of your suitcase also for packing your suitcase as well. If you're going on a road trip, it's easy to put your travel bag, your toiletries on top so it doesn't get squished, or you can just carry it on your carry-on bag. And that's how you pack your suitcase. Make sure you smash the like button and go ahead and check out Waypoint House Bed and Breakfast in the beautiful Berryville, Virginia. Make a reservation today. Bye, friends.